5-star beach hotel with a full-service spa. Catch some rays at the beach or spend the day relaxing at Crowne Plaza Hotel Antalya, an IHG hotel's full-service spa. Then enjoy a meal at one of the hotel's 2 restaurants. Crowne Plaza Hotel Antalya, an IHG hotel, offers 194 air-conditioned accommodations with mini bars and safes. A pillow menu is available. 32-inch LCD televisions come with premium satellite channels. Bathrooms include bathtubs or showers with rainfall shower heads, bathrobes, slippers, and complimentary toiletries. This Canalti hotel provides complimentary wireless internet access. Additionally, rooms include complimentary bottled water and coffee tea makers. A nightly turn-down service is provided, and housekeeping is offered daily. Amenities available on request include hypoallergenic bedding. An indoor pool, an outdoor pool, a children's pool, and a spa tub are on site. Other recreational amenities include a health club and a sauna. The recreational activities listed below are available either on site or nearby. Fees may apply. Zoo Spa has 7 treatment rooms, including rooms for couples. Services include deep tissue massages, facials, body wraps, and body scrubs. A variety of treatment therapies are provided, including aromatherapy. The spa is equipped with a sauna, a steam room, and Turkish bath hammam. The spa is open daily.